Welcome to this 2-minute tip video, and today we're going to be looking at manual focus ring in autofocus mode. So most of us will probably use our camera's autofocus system the vast majority of the time. However, if you're using your lens wide open and you've got a very narrow depth of field, sometimes the camera might focus on an object quite correctly, but you want to quickly move it to another object, or maybe you're using split screen and you've seen that it hasn't quite captured, focused on the object you want. Well, this piece of functionality allows you to use the manual focus ring on your lens to override the autofocus. It's easily set up. You just go into the custom settings menu, go into A, which is focus or autofocus, and then scroll down to A13 where you'll find manual focus ring in AF mode. And it's a really simple setting. It's either on or it's off. So as I said, if you enable it, then you are able to override the autofocus by using the manual focus ring on the lens. If you then want to go back to using the autofocus, you either lift your finger off the shutter release and press it down halfway again and the autofocus will engage, or if you're using back button, do the same with the back button. It's a really simple piece of functionality. I have it set up. The only thing to watch out is that if you accidentally knock the focus ring, then it can override the autofocus and you just have to lift your finger off the shutter release and press it down again. So not a big issue, but just keep an eye out for that. I hope you found this 2-minute tip video useful. If you did, as always, hit subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we'll let you know of future videos. Let us know in the comments if this is a piece of functionality that you have turned on all the time like myself, and I look forward to seeing you in a future video.